Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to view your purchase history on Temu in 2025. If you order multiple items and want to see what you've bought or when something was delivered, I'll show you exactly where to find your full order history. First, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website. If you're not signed in, tap sign in and enter your email, phone number, or Google account. Once you're logged in, tap the U icon at the top right of the app. Then select your orders. You'll now see your purchase history, which shows every order you've made on Temu. Each item will display its order date, status, and total amount. Tap any order to see more details like your invoice, tracking info, or delivery updates. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a specific order quickly. And that's how to review your Temo purchase history in 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Temo guides. See you in the next one.